Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a compiled version of your Access database. First of all, you need to do it on a backup copy. You take a copy of your original file, put it into a deployment folder. Alright, then hold down the shift key. See, if you see, this is an ACDB file, ACCDB file, okay, created this day. So hold on the shift key and press enter and get into the design mode of this file. Okay, the first thing you need to do is set your database password. Okay, so you go to Visual Basic and there is no password right now, so we are going to set the password first in order to secure the code. Go to Tools, Properties, and here's the protection lock. Then that's the place where we put the password and reconfirm it. Okay, and if you need to recompile it, you can do so. Save it and come out of this. After that, see, if you want to go to the design mode, if I go to the design, I can have the design activated right now. It's activated. So if I go into design view, I get to see everything that's there. See, if I see design view, I get to see the design of the form. But in order to lock this particular design option, we need to compile it. So it's very simple. You need to do everything that is required to do before you distribute or compile this file into a compiled state. So make sure you have a backup copy of it, because this operation is irreversible. Okay, I'm telling that 1 second. Very dangerous, irreversible. So you go to File, Save As, Make ACDE. This will be compiled into an executable only file, and say Save As. So it will take you to the folder where the original file still is there, and it will make a duplicate file, but this time with the ACDE extension. Alright, so say save, and you'll see that it's making the file. Give it a few seconds and it will compact it. Yeah, there, see, it's compacting it and it's making the file. That's the file now. Okay, so it will work as usual. Okay, now I go back, I come out. Now you see there are two files, ACDB and ACDE. Okay, now if I go to this file, you'll see there's a lock over there. So if I click on it, I hold the shift key and I press the enter key, so it will take me to the program's design mode. Okay, I mean into the access object mode, navigations part of it. But if I go to any of these forms, you'll see the design view is now disabled for any of them. That's the major part. You have to disable this so that the users don't go and modify your code or whatever. Now this is available only for forms and reports. Okay, your macros are open and your modules are locked. So tables and queries, yes, you can just go into any of the tables. You can go to queries, it is there. Okay, you can get into the design. Okay, so just be careful. Take a backup before you do this operation. Okay, you can do a compact from here again, and it will come back to its compiled state here. That's it. It will open up with the first form. Okay. So this is an ACDE file. It's always good to give this file to the customer because it's a pre-compiled file. It works very fast, and the size of it is much smaller than the original file size. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.